What's up, D?
How's it going?
Not bad.
These ones are all taken, done?
I have no idea. I think so. They've been there for a while, yeah?
That's what I was thinking. What about the CBR?
I don't know my bikes well enough to be able to know what the hell a CBR is.
The one with the yellow accents. It was here before this one yesterday. Were you here yesterday?
No, but if it was here on Monday, I would have done it.
Okay. I don't remember if it was here on Monday.
I can just check in my phone in a second with the stock number. And I think that there's probably a bunch more bikes that have been PDI'd. Thank you for so discreetly getting out of my video.